bitch, go and see him. Now you're grieving at the thought of this human no longer being, seeming like you was dreaming and thinking this cannot be. And you see you're feeling the heat from the fire burning and churning inside you. Look into heaven and praying angels will come and they'll find you. Suffer eternally, torture just like a fetus. Support you, line you up like cattle to the slaughter and sort you. Go into that light, that red beam on my Ruger. I'm ready like Freddy, but no, my last name ain't Kruger. I'm killing you softly, but no, I am not a refugee. Soak you in kerosene and burn you like effigies. Just like a serpent, I strike you like it was nothing. And quicker than liquor, my venom enters your bloodstream. Running your mouth and then thinking that you can handle this. How you're surrounded by velvet, blew out just like a candle, bitch.
Come on in.
Behind you and pop you, sever your spinal cord. Then kick you and spit on you while you're jerking down on the floor. Watching the life as it leaves your eyes rolling to your head. Then empty the clip in your body, making sure that you're dead. Say my name backwards, proceed to speaking in tongues. Then take the soul from your body like I took the air from your lungs. I bathe in the blood of the lamb to get me to heaven's gate. I bathe in the blood of the damned, grinning to steal a taste. Call me the reaper, call me the angel of homicide. I'll come to your family reunion, take out your mama's side. Drag you to hell like them shadows fucking with Patrick Swayze. Drag you to hell like that shit directed by Sam and Raimi. Blow up your spot like the ghost, I'll post you with laser eyes. Then fuck your old lady with a dick made of razor knives. Ride with the hounds of hell, the one king of Babylon. You fuck with the devil, Damien, aka Abaddon.
Come on.